And yours?
Louis.
Louis.
Your name?
Yesenia.
Not
Yesenia. Luis. Yeah.
Right.
Luis.
Luis.
Leon. Lea.
Leon and Leah.
And
Oh,
Yesenia.
Yesenia. And damn, Keith.
Yeah.
Right.
Think of a white Irish guy, but Filipino.
Gotcha. Hey guys, so we're walking around and we met Keith with Vecel Outdoors, right?
Yep.
And so what caught my eye first was, man, this prospector here is badass. So I'm going to share with you his link. They do custom interiors for different truck campers. And you can see it right here. He's got a really nice setup. This is an actual AEV prospector, so it's a really nice build, and he's got the four-wheel camper. He's enjoying his dinner with his family, so we're not going to bug too much, but got a nice chat with him, and they got really good smelling food, so we'll just keep walking around.
Hey guys, Zach with Frontrunner Outfitters here with Louis from Taruca, and we just wanted to show you real quick the quick release brackets that we came out with for the 270 and Batwing awnings. Makes it really easy to just flip this latch down, push up on the awning, and you can just take it off your truck. You can hang it in your house, in your garage, and then you've got more room on your roof rack. You can find these. These are available on our website at frontrunneroutfitters.com.
Hey guys, I'm Jamie with Pelican Products here at Overland West PNW. Showing off a couple of new things and some of the existing stuff that we've been known for, starting with our cargo cases. So we developed these a few years ago specifically to be vehicle mounted without having to drill. The idea being we're looking at a rooftop application here. You've got our BX90 cargo case, which is a mid-size gear case for the roof. You've got the mounts that hold it physically to the roof. You can lock these to your truck, and then you can actually also lock the latches to keep everything secure, keep the case on the truck. But when you need it off, you just pull these two pins, lift the case up, and oops, sorry, I gotta get this case out of the way. There we go. You lift this case up, comes right off. So if you need it off your roof because you're gonna daily it, whatever the case is, when you want it back on, it goes right back on, pins in, and then you lock it up and you're off. So really excited to continue debuting this, or showing this off at Overland expos and showing people how they can kind of expand their storage solutions on their truck if the cab's full or the bed, etc. But what's really new for Pelican is travel. So earlier this year, we just launched our new line of luggage that spans everything from our existing air travel cases, which just a good old-fashioned air case with waterproof, dustproof, crushproof build. We got TSA locks built into the latches. Put this trolley handle down. And then on the interior, you've got a lid accessory that is more, luggage-esque. But then ultimately, you can use our packing cubes or foam or any of the existing air accessories and interior in this case. So this is kind of one end of the spectrum. Now, what our customers have been asking for, what you guys have been asking for, is a four-wheel spinner. So now we've got a four-wheel spinner, full-blown Pelican case. This is still waterproof, crushproof, dustproof. You've got combo locks in the latches. You got a multi-stage handle for easy operation. Four-wheel spinners. That's what everybody's been asking for, which is great. And then on the interior of this is more what people expect for luggage. It's a 50-50 clamshell design. You've got the compression panel here, zippered compartments for organization there, and you'll notice there is an O-ring seal in this. So this is a Pelican case. So this is the kind of staying on the hard-sided theme, but a little bit more specific to luggage versus this that can be a hybrid, our air case can be a hybrid gear. And then on the other end of the spectrum, you've got Aegis rolling duffels. So this is a two-wheeled hybrid duffel, we call it. It's got a EVA, compression molded Pelican Shield technology on the outside, but has all the niceties that you would expect from a quality rolling duffel. Polycar back and tons of grab handles so you can move this thing around. It's mobile. And then this guy, same thing. Adjustable height trolley handle, so it's easy to roll around airport. What I like about this thing, great because it's lightweight and those wheels roll over everything. So if I'm going out for more of an adventure travel, flying on small planes, I bring this guy. I use this for all my business travel because it's indestructible. So to complement all the travel accessories, we've got our backpacks, sling pouches, everything to make sure that when you're traveling, you've got all your gear organized, protected, and everything else. So this is really exciting for Pelican. Really taking all of our 50 years of heritage and experience building protective case solutions, but bringing that into our more of the travel category. Yeah, and all this can be found on Pelican.com.
Ready.
Hi guys, this is Maggie with iKamper. We are here at Overland Expo PNW. Today we have on display our ExoShell 270. We have the passenger side on display open for people to take a peek at. On top of our Bronco, we do have our X-Cover 3.0 recently released. Hanging off the X-Cover, we've got our storage rack. Our HC steps are out. People are loving those. As we move down our booth, we have got our utility kit. We've got our cutlery set, a bunch of patches and stickers for anybody that loves freebies. We've got our disco on display. So this is our tripod cooking system. Got the big old skillet, burner, tripod can get as tall or as short as you need it. Moving down some more, we have got our recently released Rivian styled Skycam 3.0 Mini. It comes with the Rivian colors. It's got the blacked out ladder, blacked out mounting hardware. Inside, we do actually have one of our blankets for people to give hands-on, give a feel. This is our air mattress, the 5082. Last but not least, our Skycam DLX in the full size with the HC steps on display. Also got the air mattress in there, couple of sleeping bags. Then we've got shoe rack, iKamper bed rack, and cab rack all out for people to come get their hands on, ask us as many questions as they can, and just, have some fun. Thanks so much.
Whenever you're ready, yeah.
Cool. Hey, I'm Jake with Tripod Torch. We got a great product here. This is the warmest, smallest campfire out there. That vertical burner is unlike any other fire pit. It sends the flame out instead of up. So you get the heat around the fire pit instead of just above it. We call it heat to your seat. You can crank it up, just sit back and relax, and you get all that heat just coming straight at you. It's all stainless steel, so you can leave it outside, no problem. We make them here in the USA, and it packs down to almost nothing. So there's the pack size. You throw that under your seat, it just about disappears. The hose, everything fits in the bag. Everything but propane's in there, so add your bottle of propane. You got yourself a full fire pit. Again, it's all stainless steel. We make them here in the USA. They come with a lifetime guarantee. And you can find us at a lot of Overland shows, but you can always find us on our website at tripodtorch.com.
I'm Dan with SmartCap, and we're here at the Overland Expo in Redmond, Oregon. And we've got our EVO Sport SmartCap. It comes with a glass gull wing doors. We have a 3-position slider window. This is our kitchen setup. So it comes with everything you see, and it's all foamed in there, so everything is tight. It's not going to move around and rattle around. And then this is a bracket that holds a stove, and it allows you to cook when you're on the run. You have key to leg latches that allow you to lock the SmartCap all the way around with one key. SmartCaps are made from stainless steel. They come modular. They ship to your home or to a dealer, and they can put them together for you, or you can put it together yourself. We also have a positive pressure air vent on the top that pressurizes the bed of the cap so that when you drive down the road, it forces air in and keeps the dust out. We have accessories like our full bin on this side, like you saw the kitchen bin, but this is a full bin that takes up the full width of the gull wing, allows you to secure stuff using the molly panels. You go to our website, smartcap.com, for more information.
What's up, everybody? This is Todd from Timberleaf Trailers. We're out here at the PNW Overland Expo showcasing 2 of our flagship models, the Pika and the Classic. Different suspension components and everything you need to get out in the outdoor space and do what you love to do. If you want to learn more, check out our website at timberleaftrailers.com. See ya.
Hey guys, so we're going to check out our friend Ben. He's rocking the tiny camper, and you can go back to one of our videos when we did the install. But make sure to go over to the Semper Gumpe channel and follow. Ben's just going to give us a quick update on his tiny camper and his Tacoma. And yeah, whatever you want to share, Ben, I appreciate it.
Start with the Tacoma. As you know, a couple months ago, we were at your shop and we installed the OVS truck cap, and we put it on there and did some modifications with the rack and all that other stuff. So that was what we did, 2 days that we spent there doing the work. And then when I left, I went down to Ocala, Florida, and I had iKanper put this graphic on here to give it that topo green. So they matched it with the truck and put the logo on there. And they even pulled off all the, pulled everything off to get it on there. So I was rocking that in Florida for a little bit. But yeah, we did all this at your shop, installed the boxes. You did the boxes.
Yeah, they even stayed on the boxes.
Yeah. And it's been really good. And the truck's been running really well. So coming out here wasn't too bad. I mean, it still ate about 12 miles a gallon, but I'm towing something. But other than that, everything stayed the same when we left your shop. And this right here, when I was there, I had my old camper. I had the Rugged Rhino, and then I had Joe from Tiny Camper Company build this one, and this is the Kong pop-up. And they call it pop-up because the rooftop tent is accessible from the inside. It's cut out. There's no roof. And then you can go up into the rooftop tent or stand up or do all your stuff. Joe had the camper wrapped through LA Wraps right next door to him. And they did a really cool job matching it to the truck. I just sent them pictures, and they did the graphics on there with the logo.
Nice. Is it okay to peek in a little bit? So this is the Kong pop-up, and you can see it's a work in progress. He's always modifying. It's never ending with this, but he's got his battery set up, his zero breeze. It's really dialed in, and and you got space up. It's nice to just be able to stand up inside. So
since there was no bed platform, I cut some. I had some wood cut. I stained it. And then I put some clear on it because of the moisture. Sometimes moisture accumulates in campers. And those are 5 slats where I can move them across. And then I can put the air mattress on top of that and sleep up there. And I can also have one down here if somebody wanted to sleep. So you can sleep 2 and my dog, Hoku, up here. Or I just use it for storage. And it's actually, I really like it because you can stand up now. And you got all that room. You don't have to wiggle on it, put your pants on or socks. You can just stand up, but still got the same setup with your zero breeze. Now this is piped in for the Mark III, so the Mark III is a bigger hose. So Joe and Tiny Camper guys, they put the bigger connection on here, and then you just unscrew it and then pipe it in from the inside if you want to, or you can do it from the outside pipe in. And then, of course, the return is the 3-inch, and then, of course, got power. If I had power out here, but we don't have power. It's dispersed camping.